Hello! Today I'm trying Adam Ragusea's Easy Pan Pizza. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon dried yeast, half teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons olive oil, and a half cup of milk. Combine the dough. Add more flour if the dough is too sticky. Knead until the dough is soft and smooth, and it can pass the window pane test. Rest the dough for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. In a pan, add a dab of olive oil, oregano, chili flakes, and some salt. Spread the mixture all over the pan. Add the dough and shape the dough to fit the pan. Then add a dab of olive oil on top. I added too much, so I used a paper towel to get some off. Rest for 30 minutes. To make the tomato sauce, add a 1/3 cup tomato sauce, oregano, black pepper, salt, chili flakes, and a dab of olive oil. Mix. For the topping, grate 6 to 7 ounces of mozzarella or any of your preferred cheese. To make the gremolata topping, add a small garlic clove, lemon zest, and parsley. Chop until desired size. Add the dough on medium heat and brown the bottom for 6 to 7 minutes. Make sure to continuously check to make sure that the bottom doesn't burn. Add the sauce and spread it around. Then add the topping. Add the pizza to a broiler that is on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cool on a rack and add the gremolata topping. The bottom browns very well and is very crispy. The gremolata topping also adds an intense and complex flavor. Overall, this pizza recipe is very convenient and tastes delicious.